In this video, we will learn to create dynamic web project in Eclipse IDE. You can create dynamic web project in a project explorer, or you can go to the file and new, and over here dynamic web project. If you don't find dynamic project over here, you can go to others, and under the web you can see dynamic web project. Click on that and then next, and in web project wizard over here you need to enter project name. We will name first web app and just click next and then next, and I will check this generate web.xml deployment descriptor and then click finish. When you click on your project, you can see there's a Java source folder and there is source folder. This is for Java files, and web content folder, which is for resource file for web such as HTML, JS, and CSS. These files go into web content folder. I have not added any JSP or other files in this project. I'm just gonna run this project by right clicking on it, and over here run on server. So we will be able to set up our web server also. I will select Tomcat. If this is the first time you're adding the server or adding a new server, you need to select that web server. I will select Tomcat 8, and over here you can see server host name and server name. I will go with the default values and then click next, and over here you can browse if you already have downloaded Tomcat, or you can download and install. I will go with download and install. And over here we need to read this and accept, and then click finish. Here we need to select the folder where we want to download Tomcat. I will create a new folder on my C drive, and here new folder, I will name it Tomcat, and just Tomcat. Select the folder. You can see it started to download Tomcat. Tomcat is downloaded. Now we can click on next. And we can see our web app, our first web app, and then click finish. It is asking permission to run. We will allow access. So our Tomcat gets started. Allow access. You can see our Tomcat server is started, and we can also come into console tab and see. I will add a simple HTML file in web content folder. We can right click on this folder and go to new and HTML file, and I will name it index.html. Next, and just finish. And inside our HTML file, I will add a line in a body tag. I will add a line. Our first, our first web app, and I will change the title to Dynamic Web Project. I will stop the server and restart or run this project again. Our server is stopped. So I'm just gonna right click on the web app again and run on server. And it is asking to save the HTML file. Just click next like the Tomcat and then click on finish. Now we have our server started and it is showing our index.html file content, that is our first web app, and also the title Dynamic Web Project. This way you can create dynamic web project in Eclipse. And we also saw how to download and install Tomcat server. To keep on learning, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep supporting us and thank you for watching.